Let's take a few minutes for those of you in the career cohort to see how you can apply for various programs. If you plan on applying to jobs directly, you'll find more information about that under further resources in your workbook. But for now, we're going to focus on applying for training and certification programs. The first step you can take is to go to your My Options tool and click on tab 4. There should be a list that you've already created with links to different certification programs. Once you click on those links, they should show you steps on how to apply for those programs. You can also find training programs by going to Own It online. Type in at the top right what you're interested in pursuing and choose a specific occupation. Once you're there on the occupation specific information page, you're going to scroll down until you see training and credentials. So you can type in your state or your zip code, or you can find certifications nationwide. You can also apply for apprenticeships by clicking apprenticeship.gov, and I'll come back to that in a minute. So we're just, for an example, going to say Illinois. I click go and I find a list of programs. Each of these is a link to the program specifically. And what you'll do is you'll want to find the admissions tab. Some might ask you if you're looking for a degree or a certification. Some might ask like what kind of admissions student you are, and it'll ask you to type it in. There should be pretty clear instructions on how to apply once you're on that website. And if you have any questions, you can email or call the admissions department of that specific program. So let's take a look at those apprenticeships. So going back to Own It, you'll go to apprenticeship.gov, and you're going to want to click on Career Seekers. You're going to want to either find Become an Apprentice or Apprenticeship Job Finder. You can read all about apprenticeships and what they can do for you. Start with New to the Workforce, read these stories, and then when you're finished with that, you could scroll all the way down to Find an Apprenticeship. And this way you can type in your interests, your location, and search. And it'll tell you what's hiring, what's an apprenticeship that matches your particular interests. So make sure that as you're doing all of this, you're using a good application tracker. Now, this can be a specific application tracker, or this could just be something that you've created for yourself.